In every breath, you hold a choice to stay asleep in the comfort of yesterday or to awaken and walk through fire. In the quiet hours before dawn, there exists a moment, a sacred opportunity that determines the direction of your life. That single breath, that one decision will shape the rest of your day, and that day, repeated over time, becomes your life. Many people wake up hoping life will change for them, but hope is not a strategy. Discipline is, commitment is, and the willingness to suffer for growth, that is the part of the warrior. The myth of motivation. Let us begin by breaking a myth. You do not need to feel motivated to begin. You do not need music in your ears or cheerleaders around you. If your back is against the wall, motivation will fail you. What you need is clarity. Clarity of who you want to become. Clarity of what you're willing to endure. Clarity of how far you are willing to go to transform. In 2025, there will be temptations, shortcuts, distractions, opinions of the world trying to control your direction. You will feel tired, uninspired, rejected, and in that precise second you will have a choice to give in or get up. The power of that 1 second. I call it the 1 second decision. That tiny moment when your mind screams at you to quit. You're in the cold, you're hurting, you're broken, you want comfort. But in that 1 second, if you pause, breathe and say, not yet, I'm not done, you change the entire trajectory of your existence. Strength is built not in hours, but in seconds. In seconds of silence. In seconds of pain. In seconds of choice. Face the demon, don't run. We are all haunted by something. Some of you are running from your past, some from failure, some from rejection, pain, betrayal, or fear. But you must understand this. What you run from grows, what you face shrinks. You want to grow? Then you must return to the dark corners of your mind, the parts you swore you'd never revisit, and examine them. That's what transformation requires. Not talking, not thinking, but honest confrontation with yourself. When your mind tells you you're done, ask it again. Can I take one more step? And almost always the answer is yes. Build confidence, not borrowed confidence. People tell you, look in the mirror, say affirmations, chant your greatness. Now, you don't become confident by shouting at the mirror. You become confident by building a resume of proof. When you do the work that others avoid. When you show up when no one is watching. When you bleed, sweat, and cry in silence. Confidence is not a feeling, it's a reputation with yourself. When your mind knows that you've done the work, when you've paid the price, you no longer fear the test because you have become the answer. Pain is the greatest teacher. Let me tell you something that will make you uncomfortable. Pain is not your enemy. Pain is your training partner. It doesn't come to destroy you. It comes to reveal you. Every time you want to quit, ask yourself, where will I end up if I give up now? Let that vision burn you alive. Let it terrify you more than any challenge in front of you. In pain, you don't think clearly, you panic, you search for escape. But if you can slow your breath, calm your thoughts, and gain control, then you will discover the edge of what is humanly possible. And then you go beyond. You must be your own coach. You're waiting for support, for applause, for help. Stop waiting. Most people won't clap for you until you're at the top of the mountain. But no one will tell you how to climb it. Many will even try to pull you down because your strength challenges their weakness. Your progress exposes their laziness. But it is not your job to shrink. Your job is to lead, to rise, to become the proof that greatness is born from effort, not excuses. Study yourself like a warrior. Every single day is a chance to observe yourself, not just your habits, but your hesitation. Why do you slow down at mile 10? Why do you avoid that conversation? Why are you afraid to speak your truth? Study it, analyze it, face it. The more you understand your resistance, the more control you gain over your life. Be deliberate in your growth. Be ruthless in your honesty. Let your work be your message. Forget showing off on social media. Forget impressing the world. The most powerful work is done in silence. The trophies are internal. The rewards are spiritual. Don't just build muscles on your body. Build calluses on your mind. Proof. Over time. Unshakable belief in your character. In 2025, don't aim to impress. Aim to transcend. Train your mind in hell. Everyone's looking for the easy path, the life hack, the shortcut, the trick. But the warrior, the monk, the master, they deliberately choose the harder path. Why? Because the strength you build in the fire is the strength you carry into life. Life doesn't warn you before it tests you. And if you've only trained in comfort, you will break in battle. To train in discomfort. Seek the cold, seek the silence, seek the chaos. And in the middle of the storm, say, I am here, I am unshaken, I am ready. The pain of becoming. There are moments where you'll ask yourself, is it worth it? When your body is shaking, your soul is exhausted, the world misunderstands you. When the answer must be, yes, because I'm not building for today, I'm building for who I must become. It will hurt. It must hurt. Because pain is the currency you pay for becoming something greater. Do not run from the mountain. Become the mountain. Stop lying to yourself. Many people fail because they make deals with themselves. I'll start Monday. I'll just skip today. It doesn't matter. It does. It all matters. If you say you will do something, do it. Even if it's 1 a.m. Even if no one knows. Especially when it's hard. Because integrity is the foundation of self-respect. And without self-respect, no motivation will last. No cap on the mind. There is no ceiling. Only the ones you build. Most people quit at 40%. But your body can go far beyond what your mind thinks is possible. I've run through the darkest miles of my life. I've bled, cried, screamed. And just when I thought I had nothing left, I discovered a new level. That's what's waiting for you. Not outside, but inside. In the places you haven't dared to go. Build your legacy in 2025. In this new year, in this chapter of your life. Come. Don't wait for January 1st. Don't wait for the right weather. Don't wait for someone to push you. Get up and get it done. Today, this hour, this minute. Look at your life. Be honest. Are you where you want to be? If not, good, you now have clarity. Now move, walk, run, cry, fight, fall. But above all, do not quit. I thought it was the medals. I thought it was the praise. I thought it was the money. But what I was missing was the courage to face myself. Let 2025 be the year you face the mirror and love the warrior you see staring back. This is not a game. This is not a phase. This is the path. Get up and get it done.